viewers, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about a live testimony by one of our participants. And before I proceed with his performance, since he has been with RLTR, let me just tell you what all you are going to see in this video. One, you're going to see the success story of a 22-year-old kid who has no market experience, but how was he able to make close to 5 lakh rupees with his tenure with RLTR? Secondly, I'm going to take you through a sneak peek about what RLTR looks once you log in. And the third thing is I'm going to give you the secret recipe that he was actually a part of. So let me just go ahead without further ado. Let me tell you how successful he was. In the month of January, okay, his name is Utej and he's one of our participants. He joined us in January. In the month of January, this kid had no losses. Is that possible? Okay, let me just refresh the screen once again. I will put it to the second and I will refresh it. Here you are. No losses. Is that possible? A 22-year-old kid who is waiting to get an entrance to an MBA program and is paying his fees by joining our subscription and live trading with us and just copying my trades. Is that possible? Yes, of course it is possible. And not to tell you that we did have a bad week. One on Monday where he lost a 1.2, and on Thursday where there was an error by himself and he lost money over there. If these two were added, this kid would have made close to somewhere around 8 lakh rupees. But what is his net value, guys? What is his net return on a very simple subscription here with RLTR? Okay, now before we get into his trades, let me just show you how it looks to log in. So when you join RLTR Group and you're part of the subscription, let me just go ahead and tell you how the backend looks like so that you know what would change in your life once you enter. Okay, so this is the backend, and once you log in, where we are going to go live is from this website. We are going to go ahead and go live over here. So in this section, you will get all your details, and when you click the live trading button, our website will take you through the session. And with this session, you would also be able to see how many sessions and when it was completed. You can see previous recordings, and also you can go back and look at the previous sessions as well. Now, this is a feature that is going to be coming shortly, but you will have lessons for all the live trading sessions and what you need to do and how it would look like. So over here, this is what RLTR is all about. So you log in every day in the morning. Whenever you're joining RLTR Group, you will come here, hit the live trading button and go live every day. And by doing that, what happens? Magic. So this kid, if you see, it's not just about the profits, guys. Even he had losses here. Okay, even we make losses. We are not gods. Of course, this looks like some divine power coming in to the entire junction and enabling an entire January in green, but we still have red days. But still, look at his net profit, guys. Look at his net profit. Just look at the dashboard, and he just pulled in 3 lakh rupees at the beginning, and his curve never slanted. So I am asking you this question today. Would you want to go ahead and be a part of RLTR Group? Would this be you next month? Is the question I want to ask you for yourself. I have taken you through a sneak peek about what you would see once you join the subscription, and the testimonial about one of our retailers who is just 22-year-old, guys, and has no market experience. If he can do it, so can you. Join us on www.rltrgroup.com and start your profit journey straight away. Either you can copy and learn or copy and earn. I will leave that decision to you. Thank you so much for your time. I hope I get a lot of these videos for you in future, and many more success stories. We are a big team of 120 people who are doing this, and those are the number of people you're going to be joining. Would that be you? Let's ask that question again to ourselves and see, would that be you again? Will I be making your video on the next week where I am telling the entire world that these guys are making money due to my analysis, which is live, due to my trades, which is live. Do you know? Can that happen? I leave it up to you. Thank you so much for your time, for understanding this video, and we will see you with another one on Wednesday, because what we are going to do is we are taking a 2 days off for the server upgrade, but whoever is subscribing from today will still get the additional 2 days as a bonus. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead with your loved ones. We'll see you on another video. Jai Hind. Take care. Adios. Bye bye.